Right guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be working on the parts I bought. So we're going to start on the start with the caliper. There's a couple of 7mm Allen keys on the back of here. Right, so I've undone those two bolts. I think it's this spring clip next. There we go. I think she's just a bit rusty. Got the caliper off now. You can see it's been sat around for quite some time. The pads here are very rusty, very stuck. Here you go, look. So here's the braking material of the pad. It's come off the actual backplate of the pad. There we go. Look at the state of this pad. That's the back of it. That's the front, yeah. And that braking material would have gone. So it's good thing I'm changing these really. Not that I was ever intending to not change them. Man, comes with their little clip. Nice. These pads here look very old. Oh, to be honest with you, that felt pretty good. There we go. Right guys, caliper's off. This, I don't know how that's gonna come off, but I'll give it the best opportunity by absolutely dousing it in that. Hopefully the penetrant gets in there, loosens it up for us. And the R17s, just crispy ones like that. There we go. See if we can impact this off. There we go. Nice. Right, second one. That was pretty tight, that one, wasn't it? There you go, there's the carrier. Pretty crusty itself, covered in cobwebs, but off, never mind. Right, so whoever fitted this disc actually used the Allen key securing bolt, which isn't rounded off. So I'd like to thank them for that. Just going to grab a little pick first and give that a bit of clearing out so I get best. What was a beat? So I get the best chance of getting that out. Just go around the inside of Allen key bolt. Always do this on Allen keys. Best chance of ever getting it off. Recommend. Little pick set, only a few quid. Ah yes. See what problem we're gonna have here. Oh, there we go. Right guys, not entirely sure what comes off next actually, whether it's this middle hub bit or the handbrake mechanism. I've just found a 30mm socket which is the right size to be knocking out the hub from behind with a hammer at least. So we're going to start there. You can always buy a new little bit of hub, can't we? Get rid of that. I'm just trying to get this out now. I've just got my pliers that I'm trying to get on it now. Got one-handed. Let's see, this moves at least. I assume that pulls out sort of towards us, so it's going to keep giving that a little pull. I've seen people on YouTube that can't get these out at all. I know that wasn't tricky. Obviously mine's not as crusty as other people's. There you go. Right guys, slight continuity error. Had a haircut, had a beard trimmed, I've had COVID, and this is where we got up to on the rear control arms. Right then, so as you can see, we've got the we did get the hub off in the end. also the bearings out, just by smashing them with a hammer really. What's going on, guys? It's been a while since I filmed the last bit of the video. So, we've just got the rear trailing arms back from the sandblasters and they're looking pretty good. Here they are. When these were all, they look pretty bad actually last time we had them, didn't they? Before these go off to the welders to have the reinforcing brackets put on, we actually need to burn out the, well, we're going to burn out these bushes. I've done one just to make sure it's possible so I don't waste all your time. Yeah, so I've done one, got one more to do. This one I've half pressed out, but that was as far as I can get it with my tools I had. So yeah, we're just going to burn that one out. So what we're going to use for this, we've got the just a butane propane mixed torch, just to heat these bits up, and then that melts all this rubber. This one is going to be pretty easy on the other side because it's half out already. But yeah, and then I'm just going to try and grab this middle bit of metal to twist it, and it should come out. Don't touch the hot bits, obviously. Alright, there you go. There's one. Just blow it out. Pop it nicely on the floor. So hopefully, camera was on and recording for that. Lovely. Right then. I probably could melt this a little bit more, but oh yeah, that's just moving. There we go. So there we go, guys. Got the other bush out. This one's a bit harder. I don't think I melted this one as much as I did the other ones. You can see the obviously it comes out quite clean, quite cleanly once you've melted it. It's just a case of doing the filthy bit first. So there we go, guys. We stripped down the trailing arms about a month ago now. They went off to the shop blasters. We've just taken the bushes out. They're going to go off to the welders next to have the reinforcing plates put on, and then probably going to go back to the blasters, back into the paint, be powder coated, and then lacquered, nice hard coating so they don't rust. That's the plan, at least, anyway. I've got some calipers in for refurb as well with a company called Big Red. Used them before for parts, so they're quite good. Hopefully I'll hear back about those soon. But yeah, cheers for watching today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you're into that sort of business. If you're not, then no worries. Yeah, I'll catch you next time, guys. Thanks for watching.